Everybody fucking jump!
All right, true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway, get you a little bit of box action. Again, for those of you who don't know, buy 2 pairs of Nike and Jordan GRs each year. So I'm going to try to keep everything going. So if you guys get a chance, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the shoes. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Low, True Blue, Cement Gray, and White. If you saw my video with the highs, go back and check my videos with the True Blue highs. Get this one out here for you guys. I got the high. I watched a good channel of a friend of mine on here. He had the Jordan 1 Lows, so I had to go get me a pair of these once I seen them on his channel. He's probably going to comment on this video below. So if you see him down below commenting, please go check his channel out. His name is Mr. J1 Hype. He's a cool guy. Like I said, he showed me this pair of shoes. I wasn't going to get them, but once I saw them on his channel, I had to go pick them up. Because guys know I'm not really a low Jordan guy. But I like to at least keep the low Jordans going. I got 2 pairs of these though because it's a fire shoe, guys. Get you guys a little bit of top action. You see the True Blue mud guard with the white toe box again. True Blue laces. Cement Gray and True Blue tongue. Mud guard continues on this side in the True Blue. Then you get the Cement Gray Nike swoosh on this one. This is all flat leather, it's not tumbled. So in case you guys don't like tumbled leather. A lot of people are seeming to like the Jordan lows. Jordan 1 lows more than the Jordan 1 highs now. You see Jordan Wings logo on the back, standard. In the True Blue color with a little white and cement breakups, not too much white on the back. Then you get the white outsole to the cement gray bottom. Same thing on this side of the shoe, with the only thing really breaking it up is the cement gray Nike swoosh. Blue insole, white Jumpman, gray Jordan 1 bottom. Starting off 2023 with a bang. Trying to get these shoes on here for you guys. Like I said, if there's any shoes you want to see, let me know. Any year. I'll be glad to pull them out and get going. You know what you guys think about these True Blues. Let me give you a look at what they look like when they're on your feet. You know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. Keep growing your collections, guys.
Everybody fucking jump!